Well, I've been asked to do a short video about how the side curtains go on this 1920 Nash, particularly in the back. The top wraps around this back post right here, and it's snapped in. It also has receiver snaps for the side curtain. You can see I have it on that side there. And then these pins, there's 3 of them. They pin in up there. The outside, you got some pins that run down the body. I don't have it snapped in right now because this was in 10-degree weather and I can't get it stretched. I'm not going to really worry about stretching it into place right now for this. But back to this. And then this little flap right here has sewn onto it so that when it's raining, the water hits this and comes off. It doesn't go into the vehicle itself. I'm pretty sure this is for the cover once the top is down. I never put the top down on this because it just looks too damn good up. But that's it. There's really nothing to these things. Matter of fact, I'll just pop that one off to show you how easy it is. Prove me a liar. Yep, right there. And you can see where the snaps coincide with each other. That's how you keep the rain out on a 1920 Nash.